Hi guys, my name is Varun and I'm back again on your channel GetAssist. And in today's video, I will tell you how you can create a very creative thumbnail not by using any Photoshop or any professional softwares, but by using one simple app. So to know the whole process, watch this video till the end. Now let's start the process. First of all, download this application Thumbnail Maker Channel Art. Once you have downloaded this application, open the application. Now give all the permissions which are required for the application to access it. Now click on thumbnail templates. Now here you can see there are many more thumbnail templates are available on this application. Now choose any one particular thumbnail. Now once you have chosen, you can see there are many changes you can do here, like you can change the texture, you can change the image positions, and also you can change the background of this whole thumbnail, and many more things you can do, and you can try, and you can make a very creative thumbnail as well. Once you are done with the whole editing, you can just save this thumbnail on your phone. So by using this application, you can create any creative thumbnails for your YouTube channel and you can engage more and more audience. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.